Bulletin and I am Vaishnavi Tiwari. First, the headlines. LFS celebrates 78th Independence Day on August 15, 2024. Chief guest of the day urges the students to uphold the spirit of fraternity. Vibrant patriotic dances rock the stage. Students sweep the friendly football match. Eco-friendly Rakhi competition relieves siblings' love. Fancy dress competition blends learning with fun. Rangoli competition ripples the spirit of holistic education and harmony. Teachers' Day celebration of magical touch into excellence. News in detail. Little Flower School Kalwari celebrated the 78th Independence Day of our motherland India on 15th August 2024. The program began with the flag hosting by the chief guest Reverend Father Binu, Assistant Director of Disha, accompanied by our Honorable Principal Reverend Father Shinto, Reverend Sisters Saroj, Mahima and Kiran. The chief guest in his speech urged the students to uphold the spirit of fraternity in this divisive society. To encourage the students' love for the motherland, an inter-house patriotic dance competition was organized. Blooming buds of LFS rocked the stage by showcasing their talent of dancing. The day became more memorable with a friendly football match played between the staff and students of LFS, in which students outplayed the teachers. Raksha Bandhan is a celebration of the special bond of love and trust between siblings. It's about unconditional love, care and protection, and it is a day to cherish togetherness. With the view to celebrate the occasion and to enhance creativity among the students, a Rakhi making competition was organized on August 20, 2024 for the students of classes LKG to 10th. The students enthusiastically participated in the competition. They used decorative threads, pearls, matchsticks, grains, spices, dry fruits, papers, to make beautiful Rakhis. The event was celebrated with full of enthusiasm and zeal. To enhance the creativity, imagination and to build the confidence in the students, a fancy dress competition was organized on 24th August 2024. The students participated in huge numbers to showcased their versatility. Children did a phenomenal job at the event. They amused us with their creativity and boundless imagination. It was a great pleasure to watch the toddlers dressed up in different characters. The children were dressed up as doctors, teachers, farmers, beggars, freedom fighters, to name a few. This activity helped the students to bring out their inner talent and gave them a platform to build their self-confidence. The school wholeheartedly appreciated the painstaking effort taken by the parents, teachers, and students. Rangoli making has been an essential part of Diwali celebration in our country. Although Diwali is a festival of lights, the Rangoli colors play a big role in bringing out the festive spirit during these celebrations. Therefore, to promote this traditional art form amongst our students, an inter-house Rangoli making competition was orchestrated in LFS Kalwari on 24th August 2024. All the houses participated with great zeal and enthusiasm. Organizing such an event helps students to remain in close touch with their culture. Through the vibrant colors and intricate designs, participants not only celebrated the beauty of Indian art but also embraced the spirit of unity and inclusivity. To commemorate the birth of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Teachers' Day was organized with incredible gusto and zeal by the students of LFS Kalwari on 5th September 2024. The day was bright and pleasant. A warm welcome was given to the manager, Reverend Father Francis, Reverend Father Sinto, Headmistress, Reverend Sister Kiran, Reverend Sister Saroj, and the school staff with flowers and cards. The dignitaries and staff paid homage to the patriot of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan by offering flowers. The manager, in his valuable speech, explained about the importance of Teachers' Day, citing his childhood experience of learning.
Pen and a book can change the whole world. So the roles and responsibilities of the teachers together with the children, with their studies, education, and their efforts really can transform the world.
The principal in his speech congratulated teachers and acknowledged the sincere effort they put every day. Students performed cultural activities like dance, songs, skit on this special occasion. The students also arranged some fun games for the teachers to entertain them. All the teachers appreciated and enjoyed the program. The program ended with the student representative thanking the teachers for their effort in shaping the life of the students and inspiring them. That's all for today. Thank you.